Hey y'all, hey. So my second order finally came in. Just in case you see this shirt, I just put my lock sock on. I left my setup up because I knew that it would be coming soon through UPS. So I saw this on one of the girlies, the fragrance girlies on Instagram. And I'm a sucker for like butter and oils. I really do like butter and oils. I probably should have brought my iPad in here, but we're gonna go ahead and open this up right quick. If you're new here, my name is LashawnTerry. Welcome. I have a playlist for everybody. And subscribe if you're not. Give me a thumbs up as soon as you come in. It's free. It don't tell who gave the thumbs up. Not that I know of anyway. And click that notification bell so you know when I upload next. While I'm getting this out, I'm gonna go ahead and run this intro for y'all. Okay, so we are back. When I got my iPad. So this is a thing from Orena fragrances. They are a company that makes body products that are designer inspired. I'm looking at my my thing. So I did get one oil, one butter, and a lotion. Let's open this up. It says give your mood an aroma. You open this up. Very nice boxing. They sent it, it was shipped UPS ground, so they sent it in a bag like this, but the box is good. So you got your little thing, and then it's like this. You know, they give you a card, a little thank you card, whatever. Let me pull up the scents that I got. They do wrap everything pretty good, and you have a whole bunch of these shredded up curly papers in here. So I'm taking this out of the bubble wrap. Okay, I didn't have to bring up my iPad. So I got an oil, a lotion, and a butter. Just wanted to do one of each that they had in fragrances that I wanted to try. One of them, I have the Body Silk OG, and that is bar number 9. So the body oil that I got called Tropical Island is expired by Greenwich Village, and it's the scented body oil. I'm tired, y'all. Body oil. Let's see if this smells like Greenwich Village. I could see it. You smell a hint of Greenwich Village. It's in the scent bracket. Much more perfumey. I have the Greenwich Village Body Silk. And it's not perfumey. It's not that perfumey at all. So this is, I guess, is a good inspire. But I do smell the scent of Greenwich Village in this with a little bit more of a perfumey or something in this. But this is a scented perfume body oil. And what does it have? It has sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, fragrance oil, perfume, and vitamin E. I guess that's what it says, y'all. I wear glasses, y'all, but I normally just wear them when I'm driving, not when I'm in the house. So then the lotion I got was Utopia, inspired by La Vie Est Belle. I don't know who La Vie Belle is. Let me see if it got a note thing or something on here. I also wanted to tell you, this is a 4 ounce. They have a 4 ounce and an 8 ounce. This is their 4 ounce and it's $38. It's called a mini size. Their 8 ounce is $68. I believe they also have perfume oils as well, which is like almost $80. To me, this is perfume enough if you ask me. But the Greenwich Village, the notes is lychee, cassis, and mandarin orange. The middle is water lily, peony, and jasmine. The base is ambroxan, praline, vanilla, musk, and oak moss. I'm just reading what they have as their Greenwich Village. But like I said, it is inspired because it do smell. You have the smell of Greenwich Village plus something else that's very perfumey, very. This is strong. So I'm interested to see how this is going to come out, if it's going to run me out the house or, you know, what the deal is. So this is pink. Let me find this other one. So again, this is Utopia. This is the lotion in a 4 ounce. I believe it's the same amount, $48. Comes in a 4 ounce and an 8 ounce. Utopia infuses sweet vanilla and fruity notes to embody the essence of its muse. La Vie Est Belle. Our scented body lotions offer the same level of intense hydration as our ultra moisture body butters, but with a lighter, more air-whipped texture. With 12 hours of moisturization, it is sure to make your skin feel revitalized all day. We'll see about that. The notes is black currant and pear, iris, jasmine, and orange blossom, praline, vanilla, patchouli, and tonka bean. I don't even know what this perfume is. I believe the pear, praline, vanilla, and tonka bean is what got me. It smells nice. You can definitely smell that lotion on those. I can definitely get that patchouli. Why do I keep touching my nose with this? I definitely get that patchouli. I would definitely have to warm this up. But you got the fruit on the top notes. I do not like patchouli. You would think with the praline, vanilla, tonka, pear, it would be a little bit less patchouli. I would definitely be bringing out either the vanilla or the pear in this. But I can definitely smell the pear. And I think that was the main note that got me, because I love a good pear, sweet pear scent. So I can smell the pear. It is very moisturizing. It is got a nice thickness to it as well for a lotion. Yeah, it has a nice thickness to it. Okay. And then I got one butter. So let me go find this butter. So the butter I got is called Rich Cherry Body Butter. And we all know when you hear something about cherry, it's inspired by Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. The description: this scent is inspired by the iconic Lost Cherry fragrance. It has sweet almond and cherry accords. The body cream is luxurious, thick, and hydrating lotion that's dense and buttery. Loaded with organic shea butter, this rich lotion melts deeply into dry, thirsty skin with a surge of moisture, helping to soften while providing intense, long-lasting hydration. This also comes in a body oil as well. And the notes that they have is bitter almond, liquor, and black cherry. Middle notes, sour cherry, plum, Turkish rose, and jasmine sambac. The base is tonka bean, vanilla, Peru balsam, cinnamon, benzoin, sandalwood, cloves, cedar, patchouli, and vetiver. Lord, I hope I like this. Because I did like Tom Ford. I just wasn't paying the price for it. But I was able to smell it. And I do have a John Ray Neighborhood, his version of LashawnTerry. So this is how it looks. Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah. The almond hits you all up in the face, and I love a good almond scent. This is how it looks. It is thick. Let me put it on the other hand. It is a thick cream. And this is $48. It's a 6.7 ounce. Why couldn't they just give you an 8 ounce? It's a 6.7 ounce jar, 200 mLs. And all of their products are pretty much the same price. All of the butters are $48. It's only one size in the butter. And all of the oils and the lotions are $38 and $68, I think, for the 8 ounce I said. They do have perfume oils. Of course, those are going to be expensive. Those are $79. And they only have certain fragrance houses that they copy. I do want to go back and get their Gourmand Heaven body cream. And that is inspired by Escapade Gourmand. The butter was on pre-order. And I needed to get my order from them first. Get my hands on the product. Try it out to see if I liked it. Before ordering anything else, and to see how long they took to ship. I want to say it was about maybe a week and a half or so, and I did email them and say, hey, after about a week, is my order going to be shipping anytime soon? And I guess they emailed me back the day they were shipping, probably about 3 days later, to say that it was going to ship. I believe they are out of California, so it didn't take, I'm thinking they are out of California, so they shipped UPS ground. It was supposed to come tomorrow, but it came today, surprising, because normally UPS time usually be on point. So I was surprised it came a day early. But yeah, they have body oils, lotions, butters, perfume oils. They have perfumes and colognes. And so, you know, just go try them out if you feel so inspired to do. I'm pleased with my order, and their stuff is truly perfumey because my nose is kind of flaming right now. So I know these scents right here will probably be scents that I would wear when I'm going out, not going to bed. It would probably be way too much for my nose. But yeah, overly I love everything. I believe, you know, the shipping and the processing time was decent. It wasn't bad. According to with some of these reviews that I was listening to, with people saying it was taking a really long time to ship, and I was like, I ain't got time for that. You need to let me know if your thing say 5 to 7 business days. I want to get that shipping confirmation on the 8th day. You know, let me know unless it says pre-order. And that's what the butter was for the Escapade Gourmand. it was a pre-order. I'm thinking it's probably should be off a pre-order by now. Yeah, it's off a pre-order. And so I probably will go in because I really do want that scent. I like it. And I probably will just go in and get the body butter opposed to the oil. So with that being said, until tomorrow. Peace.